I welcome you to my channel Learn with Pharmacy. In today's video we are going to see methods for determination of pH of the solution. Before starting video, subscribe and press notification bell for regular updates. Two methods are there for determination of pH of a solution. They are as follow. First, colorimetric method and second, electrometric method. With the availability of simple method, that is electrometric method, the use of colorimetric method is decreased in the current practice. The reason we will see in methods why colorimetric method use is decreased. So, first method is colorimetric method. Colorimetric method is used to determine pH of the solution in the range of pH 3 to 11 based on the color changes. Principle of colorimetric method. The principle involves the comparison of color of test solution with that of the standard solution of definite pH values. Colors are developed by adding universal indicator to both test and standard solution. Several standard solution are available commercially, which are premixed solution of buffer and indicators. In the absence of commercial standard, it is possible to prepare them in laboratory. Capillators and comparators are available commercially to prepare solution. So what is capillators? The buffer solution and universal indicator are mixed and placed in capillary tubes. A set of such standard solution is known as capillators. They are used for small volumes. And what is comparators? For large volumes, comparators are used. In these, test tubes are used instead of capillary tubes. These are useful for examining turbid of colored solution. Methods involved in colorimetric method. The method involves identification of approximate range of pH, then the method is repeated for narrow range pH. Standard buffer solution of known pH values ranging from 3.0 to 11.0 are prepared with 1.0 pH interval. Few drops of universal indicator are added to each buffer solution. Different colors are produced. Same in test solution, also few drops of universal indicator are added to test solution so that it also possesses the color depending on its pH. Then the color of this test solution is matched with standard color produced by buffer solution. The pH of the test solution must be same as that of buffer. Based on the pH value obtained in above step, the pH interval is reduced to a narrow range. Example, if approximately pH is obtained as 5, then standard buffer solution are prepared from pH 4 to 6 with 0.2 pH interval. Step 2, 3, and 4 is repeated to obtain actual FAR of test solution. Finally, the exact FAR is reported. The advantage of colorimetric method is it is less expensive than other method. And disadvantage is it can be used when solution is not color or turbid. Second method is electrometric method. The basic principle of the electrometric pH measurement is determination of the activity of the hydrogen ion by potentiometric measurement using a standard hydrogen electrode and a reference electrode. In these method, the pH-sensitive glass bulb is made of lithium glass, which is suitable over entire pH range. Principle is as shown in figure. Silver wire are used which are coated with silver chloride as we can see in figure. And the glass electrode is filled with 0.1 normal hydrochloride acid, and the glass membrane is pH sensitive. And the silver wire are connected to a meter. The glass probe consists of two electrodes, sensor electrode or indicator electrode and a reference electrode. These electrodes are in the form of glass tubes. One contains 0.1 normal HCl or other contains saturated KCl solution. A silver wire coated with silver chloride is immersed in 0.1 normal HCl solution. Another silver wire coated with silver chloride is immersed in the saturated KCl solution in reference electrode. When the probe is placed in a solution to measure the pH, hydrogen ions accumulate around the bulb and replace the metal ions from bulb. This exchange of ions generates some electric flow that is captured by the silver wire. The voltage of this electric flow is measured by the pH meter by converting it into pH value. Increase in acidity of the solution has a greater concentration of hydrogen ions that increases voltage. This increased voltage decreases the pH reading in pH meter. In same manner, an increase in alkalinity decreases the hydrogen ion that decreases the voltage and increase the pH value in pH meter. Advantages of electrometric method are: It is accurate method and pH range of measurement is high. Disadvantage are: cost of pH meter is very high, and it is not suitable for gels and viscous solution because of low ionic mobility. Here is the end our topic. Like, subscribe, and press the notification bell for latest update. Don't forget to comment how interesting video was.